Take a slow breath and let the mind become quiet. In this series, we are not rushing. We are not trying to finish the Rig Veda. We are simply learning how to enter it. Because the Rig Veda is not one story. It is not a single book with a beginning, middle, and end. The Rig Veda is a collection of hymns, ancient prayers, ancient songs of reverence. Some hymns are offered to fire. Some are offered to the dawn. Some to rain, to sky, to strength, to order, to truth. And slowly, as we listen, we begin to notice something beautiful. These hymns are not only about the world outside us, they are also about the world within us. In this first episode, we will cover 3 simple things. First, what the Rig Veda is in everyday words. Second, what kind of voice it has and how to listen to it. And third, why it still matters even for a complete beginner today. There is nothing you need to memorize, nothing you need to debate. Just listen and let the meaning settle gently. So, what is the Rig Veda? The word Veda means knowledge, but not the kind of knowledge that sits only in the head. This is knowledge that is meant to be lived, knowledge that shapes the heart, knowledge that brings the mind into harmony. And the Rig Veda is the oldest collection among the Vedas. It is made of hymns. In Sanskrit, a hymn is often called a Sukta. A Sukta is a set of verses, like a garland, many small flowers forming one offering. Each hymn is usually addressed to a divine presence, a deity, a force, a cosmic principle. For example, Agni, the sacred fire, or Indra, strength, protection, the power that breaks obstacles, or Varuna, the guardian of cosmic order and moral truth, or Ushas, the dawn, bringing light without violence. Sometimes the hymns sound like praise. Sometimes they sound like gratitude. Sometimes they sound like a question offered to the sky. And sometimes they feel like silence shaped into words. One important thing, very gently, when you open the Rig Veda, do not expect a storyline. Do not expect a single plot. Do not expect modern explanations. Instead, imagine this. You are standing near a sacred fire early in the morning. The world is still quiet. The air is cool. A sage begins to speak, slowly, not to entertain, not to impress, but to align life with the sacred. That is the atmosphere of the Rig Veda. Now you might ask, why hymns? Because a hymn is not only information. A hymn is a relationship. A hymn is how the human being turns toward the divine. It is how we speak to the unseen with respect. It is how we recognize something greater is moving through nature and through me. And even if you are new to all this, you can still understand the basic feeling: awe, gratitude, humility, and the wish to live rightly. In the next part of this episode, we will talk about the voice of the Rig Veda, what it sounds like, and how to listen without feeling lost. For now, let this simple idea settle. The Rig Veda is a book of hymns, and each hymn is an offering. Not just an offering into fire, but an offering of attention, an offering of reverence. And when attention becomes pure, life becomes quieter and clearer.